Hey folks, Doug Wilson with Wilson Hyundai and Wilson Kia on Lakeland Drive. Your brakes are a super important part of the safety of your vehicle. Just because you hear a noise when braking or the pedal is spongy doesn't necessarily mean that you need expensive repairs. It could be something simple. How do you know? We offer a free brake inspection so that our factory-trained technicians on Lakeland Drive evaluate your brakes at no cost to you so that your brake problem is accurately diagnosed. Regarding brake pads, they do wear out a little bit every time you use your brakes. Here is a great visual aid that demonstrates when to replace and when to wait until later. The green represents good. It means you have 6 to 12 millimeters of pad left. Yellow is 4 to 5. Red is 0 to 2 or 3. You'll want to replace these pads immediately before you have a metal-on-metal situation that causes safety issues and sets up the possibility of very expensive repairs, possibly requiring you to replace the rotors as well as the pad. Come see the factory-trained pros at Wilson Hyundai and Wilson Kia on Lakeland and ask for the free brake inspection that you saw Doug Wilson talk about on YouTube. Where there's a Wilson, there's a way to help you keep your car safe and maintain your vehicle affordably. To set an online appointment, use our convenient website service appointment page or call us at 601-914-4200. Thank you. I hope to see you in the dealership soon.